Getting a six-pack abs is a goal many people strive to achieve. It not only gives your stomach a toned and sculpted appearance but also signifies a strong and healthy core. But how can you attain those coveted washboard abs? To get a six-pack, you need to focus on two main aspects: diet and exercise. Firstly, let's talk about diet. It's important to maintain a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than you burn. This involves eating a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, as they can contribute to excess belly fat. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial for overall health and weight loss. Next comes exercise. You'll need to incorporate both cardiovascular exercises and strength training into your fitness routine. Cardio exercises like running, swimming, or cycling help burn overall body fat, including abdominal fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio, 3 to 4 times a week. In addition, focusing on core exercises is essential to strengthen and define the abdominal muscles. This can include exercises like planks, crunches, Russian twists, and leg raises. Try to include these exercises 2 to 3 times a week, gradually increasing the intensity and repetitions as you progress. Consistency and patience are key. Getting visible abs takes time and commitment. It's important to note that everyone's body is different, and genetics can play a role in how your abs appear. However, with dedication, a healthy diet, and a combination of cardio and core exercises, you can work towards achieving those six-pack abs you desire. Remember, it's not just about the physical appearance. A strong core can improve your posture, stability, and overall fitness. So, stay motivated, stay focused, and embrace the journey towards a stronger and healthier you.